Dear students, welcome to Lowest Common Multiple Math class from Science Magic platform. So today I'm going to teach you one of the method which we are using to find out LCM of the given numbers. So we have two methods here. You can see here there are two methods for this. The first one is prime factorization method and the next method is short division method. So by the name itself, here it's given as shortcut method. So if we are getting the problems in MCQ, we have to follow the second method. That is easy to find out LCM and time saving method. If particularly one question is asking find out LCM using prime factorization method, in that case better we cannot go for short division method, then we won't be getting the marks. We have to follow the first method, prime factorization method. Okay, so today in this part 1 of LCM, I'll be teaching you prime factorization method. Now I will be writing two examples for this and the method to find out LCM. Okay, so first I have the problem here. The first one is find the LCM of 48 and 72. 48 and 72. So for finding LCM for these two numbers, first we have to make a cross mark like this in both the sides. As we have two numbers, I'm writing first number here, second number here on right hand side. Okay, now first we'll concentrate on the first number. See the first number, this is an even number. So we'll start doing the division with 2. Okay, we cannot directly jump into the big values. Start with 2 or 3, then 5, like that. So depends on which number it is completely divisible. That number we have to choose. So I'm starting with 2 here. How many 2's are there in 4? 2 times. How many 2's are there in 8? 4 times. Then again, I'll continue the same process here. 2, 1, 2 and 2 2's makes 4. Again 2, it makes 6 2's are 12. Again 2, then 3. So I should not stop the steps here. I should continue by taking 3 as divisible here. So it makes 1 as the remainder. Okay. So this way I have to do for 72 also. Here I start with a 2. How many 2's are there in 7? 3 times. It makes 6. So the balance one I'm writing on the top. It makes, and I should read as 1 on the left side of the 2. So it makes and reading as 12. So how many 2's are there in 12? 6 times. Again I will proceed here. 2 into 1 makes 2. The balance one I'm writing here. It makes reading as 16. 2 into 8, 16. Again, I'll continue with 2 as it is an even number. 2 into 9, it makes 18. So now I cannot proceed with 2 as it is an odd number. So I'm taking the next number as 3. So 3 into 3 as 9. So now again 3, it makes 1 as the remainder. Okay, so now we have stopped doing this. All the steps are finished until we are getting the remainder as 1. We have to continue doing this. What is the next step? Next step is very simple. Write all the numbers which we have used here to get the remainder 1. So I'm writing here 2, 2, 2, 2. That is 2 is repeated 4 times. Into 3 into 1. So 1 no need to write. So I will leave 1. I'm writing only 3 here. So this is done. Next I'm taking 72. 2 is repeated thrice here. So I'm taking 2 3 times. Fine. Next 3 is repeated twice. I'm taking this. So both whatever multiples I have used here as divisor, I have taken here. The next step is LCM of 48 and 72. How can I find out LCM of 48 and 72? That is the least common multiple of these two numbers together. For this, first find out the common multiple came in these two. What are the common multiples came? 2 is there and 3 is there, right? So we can't see any other numbers apart from 2 and 3. Now find out in which number or with which number the 2 is repeated maximum times. Where it is repeated maximum times, is it with 48 or 72? Count and see. Let us count and see now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here for 72, 1, 2, 3. Only 3 times 2 is there. But with 48, we have 4 times the 2 is repeated. So, shall we select this one? Yes. Because where it is repeated maximum times, that should be taken to find out LCM. So, I'm writing down 2 4 times. Okay, next. So, this is done. Okay, next, what is the next one? 3. For 3, where it is repeated maximum times, that should be taken. Okay, so where it is repeated maximum times? Here with 72. So I should take that here. 3 into 3. So total how many numbers are coming? 2 is repeated 4 times. 3 is repeated twice. So do we have any other multiple here, common factor? No. If any other number comes which is not having as common factor also, that has to be multiplied. But in this case, we have only two numbers. In both the cases, these are coming as common in both the numbers. So we are taking 2 and 3. How many times it is repeated? The maximum number of times that is taken to calculate LCM of 48 and 72. Hope all are following me. You should do with me to understand. Now, I'll teach you one easy method for calculating this because many students are making mistakes here while doing the multiplication with these 2 and 3's. So let us do in steps. It makes 4 into. This makes 2 into 2, 4. Okay. Here it makes 9. Okay, fine. Now, the next step is again multiply all these and make it simple. 4 into 4. If you are doing stepwise, the advantage is less error happens. Okay. If you are doing everything together, there are chances for making the answer wrong or some error happens here or making the calculation difficult. So 16 into 9. It is easy to calculate. So let us do this multiplication. 16 into 9. Very easy to find out 16 into 9. So as I don't have space on right hand side, as per the rule, we have to use the working column for calculating or multiplying this. As I don't have space here, I'm writing here left hand side 16 into 9. 9 into 6, 54. 5 balance comes. 1 into 9, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. So what is the answer? Our LCM of this 48 and 72 is equal to 144. So our answer is 144. It's very easy to find out, right? So now we have seen LCM of two numbers. Now I'll proceed with to find out LCM of three numbers. The next number what I'm going to write here is find out LCM of three numbers, that is 90, 108 and 144. And which method we are following now? Prime factorization method. Okay, so what is the first step? Making the cross here. Okay, what is the next step? Writing down the numbers what is given in the question. Always we have to do rechecking after writing down the numbers, because always there are chances for making wrong numbers while writing down, copying from the question paper. Okay, now what is the next one? So let us do 90 now. Take 2 as the common multiple here. The divisor is 2 here because 90 is an even number. Okay, so for 2, how many 2's are there in 9? 4 times. What is the balance? 2 into 4, 8. So 9 minus 8, it makes 1. So now read this as 1 on the left hand side of this 0. It makes as reading as 10. How many 10's are there in 2? 5. Can we proceed with 2 in the next step? No, because now this is an odd number. So we'll try with 3 now. 1 into 3, 3. The balance is 1. So it is reading as 15. 3 into 5, 15. Again, I will proceed with 3. 3 5's are 15. Next, I cannot do with 3. So I'm taking 5 here to get the remainder as 1. So this step is done. Okay, fine. Next, we'll proceed with 108. We'll take 2 as the divisor here because this is an even number. Here in 1 there are no 2's are there, so making 0 here. Then in 10 how many 2's are there? 5 times. In 8 4 times. Again I'm taking as 2. In 54 first we'll take 5. 2 into 2 4. 1 balance. 14. 2 into 7 14. Now I cannot proceed with 2 because this is an odd number. So here 3. 3 into 9 27. 3. 3 into 3 9. Again 3. Okay, next here we are getting the remainder 1. So here I should stop as I got the remainder as 1. Okay, the next step 2. Here 0, then here 2 into 7, 14. Again 2 into 2, 4. 2 again. So 2 into 3, 6. 1 is the balance here. So in 12, how many 2's are there? 6. Very simple. 2. 1 into 2, 2. Balance 1 here, 16. 2 into 8, 16. 2 into 9, 18. Again, I'll proceed with 3 because here this is not an even number. This is an odd number. 3. Again 3, 1. Now, I can write down the numbers, the divisible numbers got for 90, 108 and 144. Okay, so what is the next step? Write down for 90. Then I should write for 108. I should write for the next number is 144. Okay, for 90, what are the numbers I have? I have, just scroll up now, 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. For 108. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So you can see 2 times 2 came. 3 times 3 came. Okay. Now what is the next one? For 144. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2 is there. I'll scroll down now. So I have 4 times 2 I should write. Okay, what is the next number? 3 came twice. Okay, fine. Now, what is the next step? So now we should find out what are the common multiples came which is not common also. Okay, 2 is repeated. So I'll write 2. Now 3 is repeated. 3. Now what is the other number not came in with 108 and 144? 5. So I should take here 5 also there. I should keep in mind there is 5 came with 90. Otherwise my answer will be going wrong. Okay. Now follow the same step what I taught for the first LCM. Write down LCM of 90, 108 and 144. Okay. Now what is the first step? First let us move with the 2. Find out which number got more times or repeatedly 2 came. So we'll count here only one time. So we cannot take it. Here 1, 2. For now 108, we cannot take it. 144 we'll see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times it came for 144 means we should take this only. 4 times. Okay. Now let us find out for 3. How many times 3 is repeated? The first case only 2. 1, 2. So we can't take. Second case 1, 2, 3. Third case 1, 2. So where it is repeated maximum number of times with 108. So let us take these 3 threes. Okay. So now 2 is finished, 3 is finished. So now all the 2's and 3's calculation we have written. Now what is remaining? If any number is not came as common, that should be considered. That should be considered here and multiply here with all these common numbers. Okay. So this is the final step we are going to do. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 5, 15. Okay. So always we should recheck if anything is going wrong here. The last answer, final answer is going to be wrong. Okay. Now 4 into 4, or we'll make it simple. Yeah, 4 into 4, 16. Then 9 into 15. So what is the next step here? What is next step? 16 into 9. We'll find out 16 into 9. 9 into 6, 54. 1 into 9, 9 plus 5, 144 here. Okay, so I have 144 in this place into 15. Let me find out answer for this. 144, you can also solve with me. 144 into 15. What is answer? 4 into 5, 20. 4 into 5, 20 plus 2, 22. Okay. Then 1 into 5, 5 plus 2, 7. What is the next step? 144, 144, 111. So what is the next step? We'll calculate. Here I'm making a boundary, otherwise you'll get confused. I should add all these. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 2, 6. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 I'm carrying to the next one. So here 1 balance comes. 1 plus 1, 2. Very easy. So what is the LCM of 90, 108 and 144? The LCM of all the three numbers together we are getting as 2000 160 to 160. So today we have seen to find out LCM, the least common multiple, using the prime factorization method with 2 numbers and 3 numbers. Hope all of you are understood, and you have to work out the same method with different exercises so that it will be easy without any confusion. Thank you.